Pay codes matter. What you record wages under matters. So for example, if you have an employee and they are earning regular pay or salaried, you want that to show up as regular or salaried. Overtime is overtime, obviously. But where clients sometimes get maybe lazy or not sure if they need to do something different is number one, if an employee gets severance, it's really important to code this as severance in the payroll system so that your records are accurate. If that employee files an unemployment claim, you do want to be able to show that you paid certain wages for work and certain wages for severance. If you give an employee maternity leave or really any type of leave, you want to make sure that that's coded correctly as well. I think the biggest error that I see employers make is that they code non-work time as work time. So that would be maternity leave, severance, sick leave, paid time off as regular. And again, you want to make sure that those records are accurate. Another way that I see employees or employers not do this accurately all the time is if they have additional pay types. So you can use something called additional wages or additional hourly, but it is better if you can actually call that pay code what it is relevant to. So instead of additional wages, maybe it's commission, or maybe it's a stipend of some sort. The more clear you can be with your payroll records, the better off you will be long term. But again, the biggest thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to improperly code non-work hours for any reason as regular wages. Make sure that you're separating those out with different pay codes. Even if you just have one lump pay code for time not worked, that's better than coding it as regular because that can affect things down the line, such as an unemployment claim. As always, if you've got payroll questions, I've got payroll answers. Please feel free to reach out, or you can find us online at valorpayrollsolutions.com.